Hello everyone, today we will learn how to onboard a gateway on SenRa LNS. Portal.senraco.io is the URL to access the SenRa LNS. So log in the SenRa LNS by using your login credential. If you don't have an account, then please create new one account by click create new account option. So after login the SenRa LNS page, go to devices and gateway section, click this plus icon, select register gateway. A pop-up will appear. Click let's get started. Enter your gateway location and click next. Select your gateway from this list. If gateway is not present in this list, then select Semtech packet forwarder. But I have a gateway which is present in this list. Click next. Enter gateway serial number. Enter manufacturer UI. ISM band is selected by default. RX channel is according to ISM band. Description demo gateway. Click next. Installation information of gateway: antenna type, antenna height, network connection, cellular, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, satellite, others, installation location, indoor, outdoors, building materials and installation notes. Please check, and if any information is different, then edit. Click next. Verify your information and click register. Now done. Now gateway is successfully registered on SenRa LNS. You will see status is pending approval. So a mail automatically sent to SenRa support team indicating a gateway is registered on SenRa LNS via this particular account. SenRa team verify the information and approve the gateway. After SenRa approval, the status of your gateway will change pending approval to online. So this is the entire process to onboarding a gateway on SenRa LNS. Thank you.